Hey everybody, it's PJ from Wisconsin Airgunners. My pal Rick, who you probably know better as Shooter 1721, sort of challenged me a little bit today. I had made a comment earlier that it's December 23rd here in Wisconsin. Well, it's December 23rd elsewhere, but it's 10 below zero and we've got about a 20-mile-an-hour wind flying outside. And he made a comment about splitting cards. So, we're going to try and set this up, get a little high-speed card cutting action. We'll be doing this at, I haven't decided yet, somewhere between 15 and 20 yards, and be doing it with a 177 Katran. So we'll see if I can take these cards out. All right, got the Katran 177, shooting JSB pellets. Let's see what we can do. I got it. Didn't split all the way, but I hit it. Pull the trigger a little bit on that one. Cut it right in half. Let's go for the second one.
Rolling.
So, after running that magazine dry, I went inside to reload it and realized I'd shot about 10 pellets, probably well below regulator pressure, because I was trying to figure out why I was hitting so low. I think I figured it out. I was down around 50 bar. So we're aired up and back to give the second card an honest try. Hit it. Didn't break it, but I hit it. Just beside it. It's hard to judge the wind. That's what gets you. That one went a little bit left. Hold that one. Thought I had that one. So close. Oh, hit it again. Can't get the split though. All right, folks. I hit that one at least twice, and it is freezing cold out here. And I don't know if you can see any of the snow whipping around, but it's whipping. So I think we're gonna call it good, and I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna see if I can find that first card that totally split. All right, this might completely be a fool's errand, but we're gonna give it a shot. Maybe it landed flat. I'm still recording. You can see where I got that 10 almost completely through. Where, oh where did that ace go? Sometimes those cards land flat for you, and sometimes they split off into nowhere, but pretty oh wait, here it is. Found it. Fell the right way. Well, thanks everybody for coming along. A little bit of fun here on the backyard range before Christmas. Always good to see everybody. I hope you and your family are having a great holiday. Staying safe, shooting straight, and spending some time with the ones you love. Until the next video, this is PJ signing off. We'll see you around.